Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft once again has confirmed yet another official known issue that is affecting the update to Windows 11 24H2 on some devices. And this is officially confirmed once again over on their known issues health dashboard page, where the issue is due to a compatibility issue with the sprotect.sys driver. Now, Microsoft has this officially to say over on the known issues health dashboard page. Microsoft is working with SenseShield technology. And if you don't know who SenseShield are, according to their website, SenseShield technology is a copyright and or IP protection and enterprise data security solution. So that's what SenseShield is. So obviously this is affecting, I would say, more corporations and enterprises and specialized equipment. But nonetheless, just to keep you guys posted. So Microsoft is working with SenseShield technology on a compatibility issue between Windows 11 24H2 and the said driver. This issue, they say, causes affected devices to become unresponsive and display a blue or black screen error. So that's freezing and a blue screen of death, also known as a stop error. The said driver provides encryption protection and is used by specialized security software and enterprise solutions. This driver, they mentioned, can be automatically introduced into a system as part of the installation process of many different applications. The issue impacts devices with any version of the sprotect.sys driver, versions 1.0.2.372 and 1.03.48903. And because of this, once again, Microsoft says it has applied a safeguard hold and a compatibility hold on devices running the incompatible driver. As always, they say these devices will not be offered to install version 24H2 via the Windows Update Release channel. And this is just another known issue that is affecting Windows 11 24H2, which I think is unfortunate. And something else Microsoft has mentioned, which I actually haven't seen in an announcement regarding a compatibility hold. They say if you have a home or pro Windows device affected by this hold, the Windows Update page under Settings, what we're looking at now, will display a message saying you don't need to take any action now. So that's the first time I've actually seen that. So I thought that was interesting. Now, Microsoft says that the next steps is that SenseShield is currently investigating this issue. Microsoft is collaborating with SenseShield and it will provide more information when it is available. So if you are affected, as mentioned, you will see that message under Windows Update. And obviously when this fix does roll out, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.